Namaste. My name is Mila Dolina and I'm holistic fertility prenatal yoga specialist. And today I'm going to share a simple practice for all the trimesters. It's good if you have any discomfort and pain in your lower back. It helps to improve hip mobility, release the tension from your lower back, and just to give the little boost of energy and relaxation for the whole day. It can be practiced in the morning or evening, it's up to you. But I really enjoy when you do it in the morning. It helps you to awaken gently your whole body. So just sit in comfortable position. So you keep your left leg at the front, right at the back. So you're trying to keep left leg 90 degrees angle on your left knee, and your left heel and your sole itself doesn't touch the right. If it doesn't feel comfortable, you on one side, you can also keep the pillow slightly to lift your hips, or you can just keep it under one side of your hips. And we're gonna do the rotation, and we're going to engage our pelvis, and we do the movement like in 3D dimension. So we're trying to move in all the sides. So inhaling, bending forward slightly, opening the chest, exhaling back, inhaling, exhaling. You can keep your eyes closed, dive deeper, body sensation, inhaling and exhaling. Well done. Now opposite direction. Inhaling and exhaling. Well done. And stretching your arms to the sides and gently stretching our arms. So arms are strong, active. And now we do side bends, placing left arm and stretching the right side of the body. Inhaling up, exhaling, inhaling, exhale. One more time. Inhaling up and exhaling side. Now we're adding gentle twists. Be careful, make sure that you're not compressing the belly. So basically you're moving with your upper part of the body. Another side, your shoulders and your chest, and not engaging the belly. Inhaling up and right side up. Well done. It can be little cracks on your like some of your vertebrae, they uh, get in place where they how they're supposed to be placed, and it can make the sound. Just be gentle on yourself, do not overdo it, just do it slowly and more like diving into your in how the body feels. And we do the same on the other side. So we're placing our right foot at the front, 90 degrees angle on our right knee, and left knee bent as well. So the right foot is not touching the left knee. And we begin. You can also keep the pillow under your hips, and you can close your eyes and just relaxing in the moment. Opposite direction. Well done. Now stretching our arms to the sides and gently stretching the body. Our arms are strong. Imagine like somebody is trying to pull you from side to side. And now we do the side bends. Inhaling up, exhaling. Inhaling, exhaling. One more time. And now we're adding gentle twists. Side, twist, side, up. Side, twist, side, up. And one more time. Side, twist, side, up. And side, twist, side, up. Well done. We completed. And let's do a little exercise. So we're gonna change. You do it as slow as you do it as convenient as it is for you, so you don't rush. And I'll just show you how it looks. So we just changing the position. You can help yourself with your arms. You can keep them on the mat. No rush. Breathing throughout. Not holding breath at any time. And one more time. And complete. Well done. Now you can shake off the tension from your legs. Well done. And rotating the ankles, preparing our foot. Slowly, don't rush. Slow movement is helping to calm our mind. So our mind is always rushing somewhere, and when we enter with some slow movement, it gives us peace and more mental stability. So that's the reason why I love yoga so much, because it gives me this peace, at least sometime after I practice. I wish it lasts the whole day. And now we bending left leg. We keep it, the foot is next to our right thigh. Try to keep it as low as possible. Again, just feel your body. You can also keep a pillow under your hips to raise your body a little bit. You can use this strap, or you can take a scarf or whatsoever. So it should not be rubber, so it should not stretch. And you just pull over your right foot and raise your spine. shoulders away from ears. And from this position, you're trying to go a bit lower. Again, we are not compressing the belly. So even if you feel flexible enough to do this way, make sure that you are not compressing the belly. You feel comfortable in your belly. Pressing backside of your right foot towards the mat. Backside of your leg, sorry. Pressing towards the mat. Breathing deeply, inhaling. And exhaling. And on inhalation, slowly, slowly raising up, changing the position of the legs. Now we do it for the left side. So again, our foot is like 90 degrees angle towards the left leg. We're placing our strap over the leg. Spine is straight, so we are not rounding the spine because we're not getting the benefits of this asana in that case. Spine is straight, shoulders away from ears, and if you feel comfortable, you can go deeper. Again, make sure that you're not compressing the belly. You feel comfortable. You should not feel the pain at any time. It can be slightly uncomfortable, and the maximum is like 4 out of 10. If you can rate, if you rate it. Breathing deeply. Breath is like your anchor towards the body, towards the moment. And inhaling, raising up. Well done. And then the other asana we're gonna do, it's thread the needle, or so it's good for this asana is good if you have a lower back pain. It's really helping to release the tension from your lower back. So again, we are not compressing the belly, and here we are moving our left knee from side to side like a swing. Breathing deeply, inhaling and exhaling. Well done. Changing position. Now right. And we do the same. Well done. And now we come to Malasana, the garland pose. So again, here, if this is challenging, so you can keep your heels on the block, or you can simply roll the yoga mat and just keep it on your heels. You will feel more stable when your heels will be a bit raised. And we are pushing our knees to the sides, trying to keep our spine straight, shoulders away from ears, and holding. Breathing deeply, inhaling. and releasing. Well done. And now we come to onto our fours. So our palms, they are exactly under our shoulders, and our knees, they are under the hips. And we begin with the cat cow, Marjariasana, inhaling, looking up. And here the focus is on our chest and the shoulders. We try not to move the hips at this position, so we don't want to arch the spine more because of the belly. The arch is natural, so we don't want to increase it. So we are focusing on our chest and our shoulders, inhaling, looking up, and exhaling. And here you can go deeper, looking onto belly button and hunching the spine. Inhaling up, opening the chest, and exhaling, rounding the spine. Inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling, and one more time, inhaling and exhaling, complete. Well done. At the same position, we start the pelvic rotation. Just imagine that you have inside, in between of your hips, in between of your buttocks, you have a pencil, and you are trying to draw a circle. So you're making circles with your hips, and you go all the way the left, down, right, up. So it's smooth circle with your hips, inhaling deeply and exhaling, releasing all the tension. Allow this movement. It really helps to release the tension, to feel lighter. It's your pelvic area, lower back. Opposite direction, inhaling. Well done. If you feel any discomfort at your wrists, you can simply sit in Vajrasana. So your hips in between of your heels, your knees together, and you are trying to rotate, release the tension, make a wave. Well done. And the same, we come back to the same position, and we are placing our left leg uh, away of the mat, and we do the movement. We're going deep into the left side and then right. So we're making this circle slow and steady, stretching the inner thighs, the groin muscles. Inhaling deeply, exhaling. Just one side, and the same we do with the right leg. So we keep it away of the mat. And we begin. Try to go deeper and releasing the tension with exhalation. Well done. And now we come to a baby pose, Shashankasana. So your toes together, your hips in between of your heels, and spreading your knees to the side so your belly is not compressed, and stretching our arms. The forehead is resting on the mat. And here we take 4 or 5 deep breaths, inhaling deeply and exhaling through your lower back. Inhaling deeply, exhaling, inhaling, and an inhalation, raising up. And I advise you to come into Shavasana. If you are on your third trimester, you can simply lay down on the side. If you feel comfortable laying down on your spine, you can do so. So you lay down into Shavasana. You can keep something under your head, and you can also keep the bolster in between of your knees, and stay 2, 5, as much as you want. Shavasana is important part of practice, so you can just stay and relax with each and every exhalation. Feel like your body is relaxing more and more deeper. If you want, you can pause the video and just stay in Shavasana as much as you need. And I will just complete the practice. Thank you for your attention. I hope it was useful, and I will wait for your comments. Please write what would you like to me what would you like me to record for you, and see you soon. Namaste.